Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to drop this new video and wanted to give you a couple of updates on the market as well as make a video on how I am placing a trade. And to begin that, I just wanted to give you some updates on the market first. And today, the market is a little bit down than it was on Friday last week because it was an all-time high on Friday and now it has to retreat a little bit. So I think this is normal, as well as this is caused by the worries around the banking industry and around the financial institutions. But I do think this is a short term, as I was doing on other videos. On the other note, today it was announced that the Suez Canal was freed, and as you may know, there was a giant ship that was stuck in the Suez Canal, and today it is freed, and I think the stock market should react well sooner or later. And I do think that the stock prices will go back to its point because this could be a catalyst to the stock market going up. And to begin that, I wanted to go back to the stock that I covered yesterday, and that is Soxl. Today they are down, which for me is a good news, and I see it as a great opportunity to buy more. And I do think that I should go with some of their options. And as you know, their options are within the target that I'm looking at, within $1 to $2. And today I will move on and put probably around $1,000 on one of their options, just because I wanted to not go too much, not all in, but also a little bit just to see how it all plays out. So to do that, I'll go to their options page and I will make sure that it's on buy and I am buying call. So that's a good thing. I do recommend the stock, but I don't want to recommend to get an option anytime earlier than August, just because I think that what we're seeing right now, it's the continuation of what happened last year when the stocks plummeted around this time. And now, and I do think that they will retreat. And according to last year, they retreated already by August. So because of that, I wanted to give the exact same time and want to look at the expiration for August. And to do that, I will go back to the options premiums and to make sure that they are within my price category. And because they went down today, I want to get something cheaper, because they are the ones who usually suffer a lot, but they are the ones who go up a lot as well when the stock retreats. So this is a little risky, and it makes everything a lot more risky. But hey, I like the stock. So to do that, I will go to the expiration side, and I will look what I do have. I do have the strike price for $71. I do have a strike price for 70.33. Perhaps it's time to get something cheaper, and as we can see, the prices are somewhat same for all of them. And to do that, I will go ahead and perhaps let's say 69, 67, just because it's the cheapest amongst the list of these options having all the same premiums. So if you go in with this one, continue. And as we can see, the price changed to 115. So why not go back and actually get something that is 115? So this one is looking good. 69 of strike price, and I don't own it as well. So let's move on. Let's get at least one to see what happens. Sometimes Robinhood has some glitch of changing the prices on the options, so because of that, I want to be cautious and go with one only for now. And submit. So it's not filled yet. So there we go. We have received your order, and so I just put it out there. Right. Maybe that was not the big. Okay, so because I put the trade, the price actually went up. So because of that, it was not filled. So that does happen as well. So what if I go back and get some of the options that I already own, right? For example, let's say 7033 and go with this one. And I don't know, let's put 5 of this, review it, and submit. Okay, so it was filled. That is great. So now I own 15 contracts of that strike price, which is good. So I spent about $500. Let's go back to Soxl and see what is going on there. So they seem like they should retreat. So they are moving, and okay, yeah. So I think this is enough for this one. I don't want to go too much because of how volatile it is right now. But as I said, I mean, I am going a little bit pieces by pieces to make sure that I am not missing the opportunity, but at the same time, getting in while there is a dip. All right, so overall, I own 50 contracts of Soxl now. So let's see how it turns out to be. Overall, I am negative. I am not too happy with this, but I know that this is a short term, and exact same thing happened with a different option last year, and that brought a lot of returns since then. So so I'm not too much worried about this. I think it's about 7 minutes that we've been talking, and I want to keep these videos short. As you saw already, how I make trades. This could be a little boring to some extent. I get it, but it's also playing the card safe and making sure that the numbers work well with you. This was a live trade. I put the real money out there, and I made a real trade. So let me know if you guys like this video. I will see the engagements and find out if such videos are recommended to my subscribers. Other than that, thank you very much. We'll talk in the future videos.